get into this weather, Marty. You know, it was a little drizzly outside. Things are still wet, a little gloomy still. When's the sun coming out?
Well, the sun's out in big force right now and moving ahead in the forecast. I really think we do have a good run of fine weather moving our way. Hi, everybody. It's 15 minutes after the hour. Let's take a look at that beautiful outback. Now, it is pretty breezy out there. We could almost be, producer Karen Beller-Walden and myself had a discussion about this before the show. Should we say blustery or breezy? I kind of tended toward breezy, but every once in a while, that wind kicks up, as you saw, and it looks a little blustery. But here's the bottom line to that. If you have seasonal allergies, this is going to be one of those days where all the pollen from this beautiful spring, and it really, you know what's the most amazing thing? We're basically in a severe drought throughout much of the mid-Atlantic, but given that, it has been a very lush spring, and that pollen is going to be flying around everywhere. 66 degrees right now, feels like 66, just 41% humidity, but we do have a westerly wind at 16, gusting at times to 26 miles an hour. It's that at times that makes it blustery. Otherwise, just a darn pretty breezy afternoon. Radar doesn't show a whole lot happening. We have a gentle flow out of the northwest. But look up around Cumberland. There could be a couple widely scattered showers along the northern part of the northern tier counties as we move through the afternoon. It's really, and if one should come over your corner, it's not like you're going to see a lot of rain. We are not doing a redo of yesterday. We are kind of bookended by energy northwest and then south and east. But generally speaking, right around the metro, we should be doing pretty good. Just a few high-passing fair weather clouds in the area. Not a whole lot going on. Again, you can see how we're bookended north and south by some showers and indeed some clouds in the area. But right around the metro, just a couple passing fair weather clouds. As we move through the afternoon, temperatures in the mid-60s along the bay. Inland Carroll County, we're still basically talking about the mid-60s overnight. Once we get into the deep hours, we'll be into the low, let's say, 42 to 43 degrees. We're looking at Hartford and Cecil counties basically right there. As we move through tomorrow, maybe a couple showers in the late afternoon, again, primarily west of Baltimore, but generally sunny skies from Baltimore on toward the coast. We'll take a deeper look at this 7-day forecast coming up shortly. Nikki Z, over to you.
All right, Marty, thank you.